According to a report by Reuters, Scania paid bribes to win bus contracts in India in 7 different states between 2013 and 2016, revealed an investigation by 3 media outlets, including Swedish news channel SVT. The Swedish truck and bus maker, a unit under Volkswagen AG's commercial vehicle arm Traton SE, started operations in India in 2007 and established a manufacturing unit in 2011. An investigation started by Scania in 2017 showed serious shortcomings by employees including senior management, a Scania spokesman told Reuters when contacted for comment on the report. This misconduct included alleged bribery through business partners and misrepresentation, the spokesman told Reuters. He said Scania had since stopped selling city buses on the Indian market and the factory that was established here had been closed down. We may have been bit naive, but we really went for it. We really wanted to make it in India, but underestimated the risk, Scania CEO Henrik Henriksson told SVT. Henriksson said any wrongdoing in India had been committed by a few individuals who had since left the company and all involved business partners had their contracts cancelled. The bribes were also given to an unnamed Indian minister, according to the report by SVT, German broadcaster ZDF, and India's Confluence Media. An Indian government representative did not respond to requests for comment outside business hours. Scania had also falsified truck models by replacing chassis numbers and license plates on trucks in order to sell them to an Indian mining company in a deal worth close to 100 million Swedish crowns, close to $11.8 million, according to the report. The spokesman said its investigation of wrongdoing had not involved the police. While the evidence is sufficient to prove breaches in compliance with Scania's own business codes so that the company can take severe action accordingly, the evidence is not strong enough to lead to prosecution, the spokesman said.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth. They represent India's aspirations. They represent India's hopes. They represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call Startup Stories. It is a curiosity to know what was that idea, What was the motivation? What was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise? These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories, and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.